You want your grab bar to be safe, but you also want it to look like a pro installed it. Today I'm using a laser level to get the perfect alignment in minutes.
And it's going to help make the job easier.
So I know that 35 inches is centered on some 2x6 blocking in this wall. And then we're going to mark 3 holes, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom.
The laser level makes this job easy so you don't have to hold a spirit level up there on top of the grab bar when you're installing it.
Could pull this away from the wall and then we can drill these holes. And all I want to do is go through this wall material, which is a 1/2 inch thick. So I'll just drill till it pokes through there, and then I'm not going to drill into the 2x6 behind it. And it talks about putting some silicone around the screw head, so I'm just going to squirt some in the hole and kind of put a little ring around where each screw is going to go. Then it's just as simple as holding it up to the wall and putting your screws in. And we have the washers on each screw as well. So we got the light turned back on. You can see a nice centered green line. These caps should just pop back on to give it the finished look. And then it says you could peel off the protective plastic. We'll do the same for the other side.
The Sigma laser level made this job real simple, and it actually is a great tool for a lot of other jobs around the house.
And you can just use them for lots of different things. If you're interested in it or you want to just get more information, I'll put links in the description for this particular one. And if you'll click the link on the screen now, you can see another video of the Castico walk-in shower install, and we'll see you over there.